Hello everyone, welcome back to SteamCode and welcome to another episode of our Django tutorial series. In this video we'll be talking about the admin page. Now you may have noticed that inside of your website you could navigate to /admin and Django automatically set up an administration page, but it doesn't allow you to log in. No matter what you put, you're not able to log in. So what I'm going to show you how to do in this video is how do you create your administration account, and then how do you modify your admin page depending on your models. So let's just jump straight into it. So the code here is actually pretty simple. What you'll need to do is head into admin.py, and admin.py is inside of your app directory. Head into admin.py, and all you're going to be doing is adding two lines. So we're going to add from.models, import, and then import the name of any models you've created. So here in my models.py file, I've got the custom user model with the fields username and password. And here you can register your models. So we're going to say admin.site.register and then register the model that you imported. And if you have multiple models within your models file, just import them all within this one line, and then you can have multiple lines with admin.site.register to register those models. Now what we're going to do is hop into our command prompt. So inside of your command prompt, navigate to the directory for your project, and then now we're going to create our user. So we can say python manage.py create super user. Now what this will do is it'll create a staff account for your website that'll allow you to access the admin page and have all of the staff privileges. So I'll set the username for this one to be SteamCode. The email address, you can just set it to a random email, so I'll just say email@email.com. Password, set your password. And if it says the password is too common, you can bypass that by just pressing Y and enter. And now your super user's been created. So with that being said, let's run our actual server. So python manage.py run server. And once your server is running, just navigate to your website again, reload, and enter in the credentials that you set. And with that being said, what you'll be able to do is navigate to your administration page. So here I've got two main fields, the authentication and authorization, which is what Django automatically creates. So even if you haven't created any models, this will always be here, groups and users. And then you've got your actual app. So here I've called my app, so that's what it says up here. And then the models that I've created within this application, custom users. So you can click on this, and here you can create different custom user objects, and you can see the ones that have already been created. So a few videos ago, I created a custom user object called Steam Program, and the password I set programming with Steam, and here we can see that within our admin page. So it allows us to way easier customize our models instead of having to navigate to the shell and then adding them in manually. Alright, I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below. This has been SteamCode, and I'll see you in the next one.